did not start off as a good content week. I'm gonna just say I'm tired of these companies. They take up most of my time, and I got 2 videos I'm holding on. I can't even post yet, so I really don't have any content to post. For I didn't post no wig content Monday, and this is probably not gonna get posted until tomorrow, but I gotta make some type of content. So I decided to go ahead and install this wig from Bobbi Boss as part of their Miss Origins collection, and she is a lace frontal unit, super glueless. Okay, this is some Beyonce hair. I absolutely love the color. I did want the color on the stock card. I did see her on a dark. I feel like it looks better on darker, like real dark skin. This color, but this is a beautiful golden blonde. That's why I said it's like Beyonce. It has the highlights in this drawn. It's 20. This is like, I don't know. It's like a strawberry type of reddish blonde with the 613 highlights. Some lighter highlighted pieces in there. And she's super long. Like, why is look at this, guys. I'm bloated, guys. Why is every wig so long on me? Like, I know I'm short, but damn. This is what the hairline is looking like. I'm not gonna pluck her because she's a curly unit. It's really hard to pluck curly units. If you don't have to, don't. And to be honest, most people with curly hair don't have like a thin hairline. So this cap looks really huge. Yeah, it has the adjustable bands. So let me throw her on before I style her. Y'all, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm gonna see if I can try to finesse this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I am gonna pluck the hairline because it's kind of harsh, and I can't do this on camera, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, yes, I'm back, and yes, I cut it. Okay, I'm so sorry. I really wanted to show you guys the wig install before I cut it, but I just could not take it. First off, it's too hot. It's mad hot. Like, if you're in the Philly area, you know, like this whole week we've been having like this heat like streak or spike. But yeah, I installed this hair and I was sweating installing this hair, you know. So this is the unit installed, Maribel by Bobbi Boss. It's part of their Miss Origin collection, and she is gorgeous. I don't really necessarily like the color for me, just because I have neutral golden undertones or neutral olive undertones, so I do better with cool tone blondes, like the neutral blondes, but the warm undertone blondes just don't necessarily bring out the best in my complexion. So I'm not crazy about it. I wish I got the other color that was on the stock card, this color right here, but she was sold out by the time I got a chance to purchase her. It's okay. Bobbi Boss doesn't necessarily restock the colors like Sensational and Outre do. Sometimes they do. It just depends. It takes them forever to restock, and they typically only restock the ones that are like super popular. But you know, it's whatever, no love lost. But yeah, I did my best to, when I trimmed, I just tried to create layers so it didn't seem so heavy, so over top of me. I created layers on both sides, and I took some off in the back. It originally came down to here on me, and I'm like, wow, it just looks fake. You get what I'm saying? Like, a lot of synthetic wigs, like, you can pass them off as human hair. A lot of people, and I know for myself, like, if I haven't, and people will walk up to me like, wow, I love your hair, and they'll ask about it, and I tell them it's synthetic, like, they're really shocked. So and that's just because I know how to make them, generally, for the most part. I know how to make them look pure human. Like this one, all I did was tease it out, and it looks like curly human hair that was dyed. I did a cut, and of course when I layered it, I didn't layer it typically the way that you would layer straight hair. I kind of just took the little coils and cut them so it made it natural. I didn't want to cut straight across because then it wouldn't look natural anymore. So here's the back, here's the side, and I didn't take off a lot. Like, generally I did not take off a lot. And I just wanted to add some layers. I mean, this is a thing with synthetic wigs, guys. A lot of people, I know a lot of my viewers, I had a few viewers who were upset that I cut one of my wigs. They want to see the wig how it is, and I get it. That's why I try my best to show you guys the wig right out of the pack before I install her, because I feel like synthetic wigs, you're supposed to customize them just like you would a human hair wig. Like, you don't just take them out of the pack and throw them on. Yes, there are some that you can do that with, but for the most part, you're supposed to customize them so they fit your particular look. You know what I'm saying? Your face shape, your height. You know, they can't customize the wig. Even human hair wigs you buy off Amazon, you still gotta customize it, sis. Like, you shouldn't just take it out and throw it right on. It looks ridiculous. But yeah, this does tangle. Of course, it's a curly wig. You should be running your fingers through it anyway. It tangles in the back, of course, but yeah, this is how she looks on me. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.